Good morning, Ms. Sharma. Do you have a moment?
Good morning, Ria. Yes, I do. What would you like to talk about?
I'm feeling a bit stressed about the exams. I've been studying, but I don't feel fully prepared.
That's normal before exams. Which subjects are giving you the most trouble?
Mostly science and math. I try to study, but I still get confused with some topics.
I understand. Would you like some help reviewing?
Yes, please. I think I need some guidance on what to focus on.
No problem. We can make a study plan together. I'll give you notes and extra practice questions.
That sounds great. I think that will really help.
Also, if you'd like, we can meet after school for short revision sessions.
I'd really appreciate that. Can we start today?
Of course. Let's meet at 3:30. Today, we'll review math.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sharma. I already feel better.
You're welcome, Ria. You're working hard, and that's what matters. Let's keep going step by step.